I want to show you guys our deep clean works very well. Here, some kind of furniture, they are lighter. We move everything like this. We move and we come around here. We move the shoes, we move everything, and here we clean behind the bed and show you guys. Look here, from the base part we clean, and so we clean the walls, we clean everything, all the furniture, and we use a little wet towel because when sometimes, and we always put back everything towels because the clients like when we move everything and clean, we put back. So I hope you guys like my videos. Thank you.